I want to, before we speak about the Brazilian market, Bovespa, I want to stress this, that on the 27th of March, you said that the top cycle of the Bovespa in the short term, and it's written there, and this was posted on Instagram right here, March 28th. The cycle will top on April 11, and the target was 121,233 and change. Now, if you look at the chart of the Bovespa here, we saw that it came here on 4th of April, it reached 121,570, closing very close to what you said, 121,279, and then it went downhill from there, right? I even wrote it here on the chart. So very well done, very nice. And can we expect another bounce around here on July 22 for the upside? Because if you look at this chart here, published today, right, you say that the Bovespa, the up move will hold until October. And the dates are here, October 14 on the weekly cycle, right?
Yeah, this is a weekly cycle. The one before, I don't remember, was it a daily or weekly cycle?
The one I just showed was a daily cycle.
So the daily cycle is more short term. Right. And the weekly cycle is long term. Just there is a discrepancy between the Bovespa and what's trading in New York, because there's such a big move on the Brazilian real. So it's very possible, based on what the real is doing, that in New York the iShares will continue up, and in the Bovespa we see some more weakness before it starts going up again in the summer.
Which the chart, the cycle here that you mentioned a few weeks ago, it's about 22nd of July for it to start bouncing back up.
Yes,
right?
Correct.
Very well. So we covered Brazilian real, the Bovespa. Now, Petrobras, which is the Brazilian oil company. Again, this is the ADR traded in a New York Stock Exchange, right? With a price of around 13, 14, between 13 and 14 right now. And we do see a cycle right here.
So you can see some more weakness. You see it topped a little bit to the left where we are now, and it goes down. They see it on the left top where the cursor is till the 10th of May. And that you have to combine with the weekly cycle. So this weakness doesn't show up very much on the weekly cycle, but it definitely looks weak on the daily cycle.
Okay, so until the 10th of May, we might see some more weakness, and then we will probably combine May, June, both cycles, weekly and daily, to have some more up move.
Until what we saw, the middle of June or so.
Right here.
Yeah.
June 10.
Yeah.
On the weekly.
Yeah, but remember,
projected.
June 10 it's each bar is a weekly, so it's, let's say it's the second week of June. It's the week, it's the date, the 10th of June, that's in the middle of the week. We see a bottom on the 10th of May, yeah, and we see on the weekly, it continues up until the 10th of June.
Okay, continues up until the 10th of June. So we have a 1 month time span for the up move on Petrobras, roughly speaking.
Correct.
Okay, very good.